Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and unfortunately the timer is not here, which means that we have to open the settings. We can do it just by tapping on the three bars icon. And the timer is right here, so the last bar with the options. So we've got three different options: off, it's I believe 3 and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. We've got also this information, which means that all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option we've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Yes, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on this crossed out icon. Since it is highlighted, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any kind of countdown. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.